Hey loves, welcome to another wash and go series where I try 2 product combos to go from this to this. Stay tuned. Jumping right into this wash and go, I am working with freshly shampooed and conditioned hair, and I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair off in subsections. Whenever I'm doing wash and goes, I always like to work in subsections because I like to make sure every section is well defined and all the products are well distributed throughout the hair. So I separate the first or the front section out the way, and then in the back I'm going to do 2 large ones and then work from smaller sections. Now, although this is a 2 product combo wash and go, this green tea Afrojeet reconstructor is not the main focus of this video, but I did want to show you guys I like adding this in on my hair before I do wash and goes now. I just love how it really helps aid in the springiness of my curls lately, so I always add that in before I start styling. So I'm going in with the Curls Leave-In Conditioner, and this is the Pineapple So Smooth Vitamin C Leave-In Conditioner. This smells so good, extreme tropical vibes, and I'm just working that in the section. It's so easy to detangle, which I love. Great slip. And then before I start styling, I'm going to take a spray bottle with water. I don't know why, but I've noticed that whenever I'm doing wash and goes, adding some water to the sections before you go in with your styler really helps the curls activate. I feel like it just helps the formation and the defining process be a lot easier. So give that a try when you're defining your curls. So within those subsections, I divided into smaller sections. I'm going to go in with the Curls Foaming Mousse. Now this is the Blueberry Bliss Repair and Grow Sculpting Mousse, and honestly you can see all over my face that I am kind of confused because it was coming out very watery, and I'm not used to that foaming mousse consistency. I am really used to super foamy foaming mousses. So I don't know if I maybe got a default product or a faulty product, but yeah, it was just coming out like that. So it was a pretty much a trust the process type of situation. But as I define the back section, I do like to make sure that I finger coil the back section, just because I like that to be really, really springy. And whenever I have areas that are a little bit more troubled when it comes to curling with the Denman brush, I just like to go in and encourage the curl with a finger coil. So this is how the back section looks so far. And I just continue this exact process all throughout each subsection of hair. And after a good minute of defining, this is how it is looking so far. Definitely can tell by the smile on my face. I'm loving it because I was starting to get worried with the watery foaming mousse, but I noticed that as I was applying the foaming mousse to my hair, it was foaming up. So I don't know, maybe it's supposed to be like that, but it is defining my curls, so that's all that matters. So now I wanted to show you guys the front section. I do kind of divide that up into smaller sections as well. And the technique that I'm using to define it, I'm going in vertical parts. Now this just kind of helps it be a lot flowy in the front, and kind of just helps with volume. I don't always do the vertical parts throughout my hair like I used to. I kind of do the back and horizontal parts and just the front in vertical parts. But I just noticed that it just helps it allows it to be a little bit more flowy, and, you know, just have movement in the front and a lot of volume, because, you know, I love volume. And after I've defined each section, I am going in and lightly scrunching it. I know because it's sped up, it looks like I'm like being mad aggressive, but I promise you I'm not. Just, you know, lightly giving it a scrunch and moving my hair around, scrunching it to give it more movement as well. Now this is where the magic happens. I like to go in and diffuse my curls versus air drying. I like to place my settings on high heat, high speed, and the Afro G green tea reconstructor product is actually heat activated. So again, diffusing just makes the most sense. I always find that I get the most volume, and the springiness of my curl ringlets always look the best when I diffuse it. So with the diffuser, I like to make sure I go around and dry the roots first before I go in with the scrunching method. And I do two scrunching methods. So scrunching with the actual diffuser itself, and then also scrunching with my hands. This just kind of helps loosen up the foam cast. I know a lot of people think, oh, gel cast. No, foam casts are real as well. So make sure you are kind of scrunching that out for it to be super fluffy. And these are my results the next day. I just went in with some edge control, and I am obsessed, you guys. I think this turned out really, really nice. Again, this was a trust the process type of situation because I was a little confused on why the foaming mousse was liquidy. But it ended up working out because the curls are defined. Just look at that definition. Absolutely amazing. I love this haircut and this shape. Now in this case, I actually didn't go in and pick it out at all. This is just how it's set, and I love it. The volume is already there, and I just am gonna let, you know, gravity do its thing and not pick it out. Now, one thing I will say with this product combo, the foaming mousse is not the strongest in terms of hold, so you're probably not going to get a full week's worth out of it, but I do like it. I do think the hold is there. For me, I started to notice it was getting a little frizzy around the 4th day, but other than that, it was a cute frizz. You know, it was like a girl, your hair is cute frizz, so it worked. And yeah, I'm obsessed. I love that my color is growing out. I think I'm going to keep it this way just to kind of have like that little ombre effect. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and any other product combos you guys want me to try next. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.